I didn't get a first class in law school, and for a while, I thought that meant I had failed. On April 2025, I sat on the floor in the early hours of the morning and checked my Nigerian law school results. And the results were something I genuinely thought had been a mistake. I had spent 6 years believing that this was going to be the thing that would prove I had done well. But 2 years later, I can tell you that the result I thought had closed my doors actually forced me to ask myself a much bigger question. What if the life I had spent 6 years preparing for wasn't actually the life I was meant to build? Because for many of us who studied law after coming from an arts background, law was one of the few respectable careers we knew. Nobody really told us that writing could be a career, that filmmaking could be a career, that storytelling, music, or arts could become the work you build your life around. We were taught to see these things as hobbies, something you did after the real work was done. And it took me a long time to realize that maybe I wasn't struggling to find a career, maybe I was struggling to give myself permission to take seriously the things I had always wanted to create. So over the next 5 days, I'm sharing 5 things I learned after that season of my life that I wish I could go back and tell myself. See you tomorrow for lesson 1.